When you began embroidering, someone probably told you that you should use Solvy on top of your towels to keep the stitches up on top of the fabric surface instead of sinking down into the deep plush towel fabric. Now I'm going to hoop a towel with water-soluble topping Solvy hooped right on top, and we're going to see just how well that keeps the stitches on top of that towel material. Check this out. Watch how quickly Solvy dissolves. Look, there's almost nothing left after just one exposure to the water. Is that amazing? And it'll dissolve just that easily from your garments as well. You should hoop your Solvy right in on top of your towel or other item, catching it in the sides of the hoop, so that it won't have a tendency to get folded over on itself and miss covering some of the fabric during the process of embroidery. Now I'll remove the water-soluble topping by tearing away the large pieces, and the small pieces that remain inside the wreath can be dissolved quite easily just by misting with a bit of water. You can add a bit of fabric softener to your water if you would like a nice clean scent and a little bit quicker dissolving. But now you can see the great clarity that you get by using Solvy, the original water-soluble topping.